Greetings, good morning, and welcome. We are Crypto for Joe, cryptocurrency and blockchain ideas for your average Joe. Speaking today with Cayman Nava. Cayman, how are you?
Doing very well.
So I don't look at videos about cryptocurrency online. I'm an average Joe. I'm out doing stuff, working and stuff. So, but I looked at one, and maybe, you know, your average Joe shouldn't be looking at this. What? Someone's going to take over the world? What's going on here? But I did want to broach one thing that I heard on it, and I'm probably not going to watch too many more of those. There's already so much to think about. But this guy said basically that there's going to be some kind of a reset on money, and I hadn't heard that before. Is he alluding to the fact that fiat's going to go away and crypto is going to be I mean, granted, it's kind of an obvious thing that could happen, but he's like, it's here it comes, it's coming, it's coming. So what are your thoughts on that?
Okay. The Great Reset. It could be so the Great Reset could be talking about a World Economic Forum's initiative called the Great Reset, and I believe it has something to do with green initiatives and rethinking the economy. There's some other things I feel like are worth unpacking. The fact that fiat's going away, that might be, if I'm just guessing here, that might be related to that government debt in a lot of countries keeps on growing and growing, and that's not really sustainable because you end up having to spend more money on the payments over time, especially as that debt grows in relation to your country's GDP. Mm-hmm. So, eventually something would need to give somewhere, mm-hmm. whether that's currency devaluation or some kind of jubilee, or moving to another currency, moving to crypto. Who knows?
Mm-hmm. So, but do you see that as imminent? Do you know that? I guess kind of a tough question. What would your guess timetable be on something like that? Like how would that look, for example? How would that be rolled out?
There's a lot of ways it could be rolled out. I mean, crypto is rallying again mm-hmm. right now. Mm-hmm. I think that if things were to be moving into a crypto realm, I think you see things happen just as they are right now, where the market cap of cryptocurrencies and blockchain companies grows and grows. More and more financial activity and experiments are run on the blockchain. And I think where the crossover happens, where there's like some meeting ground between the real world and cryptocurrencies and stablecoins. Mm-hmm. And if stablecoin use can reach the mainstream, then
it's just the digital
currency. Yeah, it's a digital version of
what you already
what
have. That's easy to understand.
Right.
Wow, some big thoughts. Okay, beware, average Joe. Head for the hills. Actually, the hills, as long as it has an internet connection. All right. Well, thank you for your time today and for helping us to unpack some of those ideas.
Thanks for having me.